What is going on, my meta millionaires? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. All right, guys. So we got a lot to talk about in today's video. We got the upcoming catalyst, and we got to talk about some great DD by Chunk. That's right, and it's going to be on Twitter at Mmat News, and we're going to give everyone their shout outs properly for their DD in this video as well. So first, let's go take a look here at metamaterials. We started out here today at 484. It took an immediate dip down to 471. We shot back up to 495, and then we just kind of sold off here and hanged in this channel, and we end the day at 484 after hours. We closed the regular hours at 487. So I guess you consider this a nice consolidation day is how I'm taking it. And yeah, we're just sitting here very comfortable. And as this here is consolidating a nice solid foundation, metamaterials keeps building up their foundation, as George said, and how it's going to be just amazing things coming down the pipeline, and we're going to go over all that in today's video. We're here on Mmat News. Make sure you go follow them. And here we got upcoming events / catalyst. They posted this 9 hours ago. Let's take a look at this here. They got nice little checklist here. Meta upcoming events / catalyst. The Defense Tech Connect, October 18th through the 21st, which is going on right now. Smart Cities Connect, October 19th through the 21st. AWE AR sponsored eyewear event. This is the big one here, November 1st. AWE World Expo, November 9th through the 11th. That's the other big one as well, man. The augmented reality. This is the one we want to look for. I do believe we have earnings coming out around November. I think someone posted somewhere I've seen like November 11th or 12th. We possibly have earnings coming out. Guys, keep in mind, we still got preferred dividend payout / spinoff, which is as of today through December 31st. Now, as we know with the preferred share / spinoff, there could be an extension to that if they haven't got everything done, but we know they're currently drilling, and they're going to do more drilling into November, and we're going to touch a little bit on that here in this video. We also got the grand opening of the 64,000 square foot production facility as of right now through 2022. We also got electronic manufacturer designs contract, no date provided, and upcoming partnerships / contracts, no date provided. So very important stuff there to keep on your checklist. And like I said, we got that earnings. I think someone said, I saw November 11th or 12th. We'll have to wait till Meta confirms that. But I do think we got earnings coming up right around the corner as well. All right, so here is the DD we got to go over here from Chunky Lover 87, James A. Vincent. Thank you, my man. This guy's a meta millionaire right here. He has some great DD, and Metamaterial News retweeted this. And here it is. To the OGs, I think it's sold. Picks 1 and 2 is of the Ora Grande Hudspeth Volcanics. Picks 3 is University Land Lease Sale, October 13th. Check the royalties and bidding starting at $1,000 per acre. What starts with B? Pick 4. There are fault lines in Hudspeth. Check my hot springs post with the winky face. And we got MMAT and we got MMTLP because yes, this ties into our dividend. Our dividend, whether it's going to be a cash dividend, a spinoff dividend. That's right, guys. And like I said, I got me a nice amount of them MMTLP, so I'm banking that we're going to get paid out on these. And if we get paid out, I'm going to take that money and buy it right back into MMAT. So I'm hoping we get great news on the dividend. So let's go in here and take a look at this, guys. So as we go down here, let's take a look at the pictures real quick. Here he has the pictures of the Volcanic Series, Hudspeth County, Texas, of the land right there. This next picture here is the Square Peak Volcanic Series, Northern Mountains, Hudspeth County, Texas. Our next one here is the Board for Lease University Land Track List. Oil and gas lease, number 130. Bid opening and lease awards, October 13th. And here is the bid amounts right there. So interesting stuff here. There's some great DD. And we got a map here of this as well. So let's go ahead and read some of the comments on this. James here said, in picture 3, I'm using lease sales as a compatible. Renewables aren't worthless. They're priceless. What will you do when the announcement is made? Celebrate. That's right. We're going to celebrate, man, if we get the dividend. That's what, man, I think that is a lot of it holding it back, man. People want to know. We want closure on this dividend. That's what people want. We want closure. And once we get closure, I think we get the closure on the dividend or the spinoff. The whole thing is out of the picture. And people can focus more on metamaterials because if they got their dividend, they got their spinoff. And it's like that chapter is closed and now metamaterials can ride into the sunset. Here we go. Here he says here, I know it's not Hudspeth property. Rather, its most recent comparable price available at the datum. I chose to peg its versus historical oil-bearing lands. They are selling leases for renewables, which is pegged to be the same minimum bid as royalties as oil and gas, and that's the pictures we did show there. So, guys, make sure you go here to James's Twitter or Metamaterial News, and you can find this DD. You can check it all out, and check all this out here, guys. It is phenomenal stuff. Here's someone, Stunky McStunk, posted here. I'm looking for the Mmats, which I can actually zoom in on without the blur. Here's a PDF, and he has a PDF of that article right there, of that link, so you can go check that out. And James here said he didn't have the link, but to clarify, be on the right path, you'll see it more clearly from the front. And here you go. Metamaterials commented back that it's going to be amazing. So this person here said the DD is great. $6 a share is a minimum. MMT is roughly $4 a share under its value. Minimum 300% gains returns sitting on right in front of you. Why would you buy anything else? MMAT. So someone here, Stalker, said, what makes you think it's sold? And Chunky replied back here. James replied, holes are being drilled, eh? And in my opinion, the terms of the lease will continue to apply to subsequent owner if so stated in the lease. So if Hudspeth is stated to drill those holes, it's going to be Hudspeth / Meta that drills, and they seem to be in a hurry, which is true. That is true. They seem to be in a hurry, and they did put that out there in the press release. So like I said, a lot of exciting stuff here going on with metamaterials and this dividend, man. And under $5, guys, you got to say it's a great buy. Like I said, I bought 90 shares at the Sterling mark at 476. That's pretty exciting. Got a little bit more dry powder. I did sell off one of my stocks today that I just got tired of it. But anyway, I got a little bit more money now because, you know, I'm trading in some stocks that had their time, and I'm buying in more metamaterials with that play. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So here we are in the FinTel, guys. Let's take a look at short squeeze scores of 77.63, ranked 258 out of 5,400 stocks. Kind of shocking to me, but we have 1.2 million shares available. Earlier today, we were down to 90,000, and they've returned like over 1.1 million back. And earlier here, you could see yesterday we were down to 55. So I don't know what's going on here, this short share stuff. But our fee went down. So is the shorts maybe not shorting us as much, but our volume is still low. We were in the 4 million volume again today. And the Finner Dark Pool was 2.6 million of the volume. They shorted 1.3, gave it a 49.4%. And if we look at the trend from yesterday at the 19th, we're probably going to be in the 53 to 54 again, guys. Probably the same. So if we can get more volume, I think the shorts will end up backing off of this and letting metamaterials do its thing. Like I said, if you still look out, guys, it wasn't long ago back in August, we were trading at 288, literally 2 months ago, guys. So keep that in mind. Right here's your price. Friday, August 20th, we closed at $2.88. And fast forward 2 months from now, we're up a good bit. Now, like I said, we were up a little bit more here. We liked when we were in the sixes, but we're still in this consolidation mode, man. This high fours to low fives is a consolidation. Here it went a little, bullish run there. It came back down, and it's just a matter of time, guys. The great plays are going to come no matter what happens. And you can see our momentum score looking great. 99.11, ranked 385 out of 40,000 stocks. Ownership accumulation score is a 98.88, ranked number 20 out of over 22,300 stocks. And real quick to end the video, I want to touch base on this right here, ticker symbol BITO. This is the ProShares Trust. ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, guys. This thing is up over 5%. It literally hit the market yesterday, and it's getting pretty excited right now. Bitcoin topping 66,000. Here you can see we were talking about it before it even hit the trading just 2 days ago on the 18th, and I was hoping to have some dry powder to buy this one, but it was like $40.80 coming right out the gate, and I don't have that kind of money to buy 100 shares of just 4Gs laying around. But I did pick up, like I said, Charge Point under 20. I dropped 2 racks into that one, if you know what I'm saying. And Charge Point's been performing phenomenal. But this one here, I have a feeling, man, if you people's like, why invest into an ETF, you know, and not just invest into straight Bitcoin? I still think there's a lot of people skeptical just buying Bitcoin. And there's people, like we know, that just want to play the stock market. There's a way to evaluate stuff. And as you know, this one here, they take futures contracts. So they're agreeing, say, a year down the road to buy Bitcoin at $80,000. If Bitcoin's $150,000, they made that difference of $70,000. So that's kind of the agreement. They could do a 5-year contract, 10-year contract. So if you're bullish on Bitcoin, this is kind of, I guess, like an options call, but very risky. If you agree to buy Bitcoin at $100,000 and it plummets down to $10,000, you got to buy it at $100,000, even though Bitcoin is at $10,000. So either way, it can be risky, but the big money is in on this. I knew it was going to be big because a lot of the big news places, outlets were covering it. And if you just go here and look at the stories, I mean, CNBC, CNN, you got Bitcoin Magazine. This thing is broken all kind of records in its first day of trading, guys, and big money is pouring into this. And I still think it has room to go at 40 some dollars a share right now. We're setting it at 43.10 after hours. I just see this being a good one. I don't have that much dry powder, but I'm not telling you all to buy it. We're going to keep an eye on it because we did cover it first here on this channel, and we're going to see what it does down in the road. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up. Check out the links down below. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.